Greetings and welcome to another Microsoft Excel exciting video. Today we are going to cover index and the merge function in Microsoft Excel, like Vlookup and HLOOKUP in Microsoft Excel. Index and merge function is an alternative to Vlookup, and with the help of it, you can achieve a greater result than that of Vlookup. Now, why do I say that index and the merge function is a better alternative to Vlookup function in Microsoft Excel? You will get the answer if you watch till end. But before then, don't forget to subscribe, please. Hit the bell button. Kindly subscribe to my channel to help me grow. Thank you. Now let's quickly delve in. Index function in Microsoft Excel helps you to bring out a particular result of Excel, a particular result in a table array. Taken for instance, index. So the index function works with table array, a particular table array. But in this one, we are going to start from row 6 here. Now we take a look at this. This is the array we are working with. Now it will work with the row number and the optional column number if you wish. Now the row number, you take a look at whatever you want. I want to get Philadelphia here now. Now is 6, comma. The column number, but it's optional. The column number is 3 because we are working on sheet 3. You close your parenthesis, you press enter. You see your result now. If your step here is the result. That's for index number. Index function helps you to bring out the intersection of rows and columns of a particular value that you are looking for. But we are working under the city, and Philadelphia is what we are looking for. We are able to extract it from the table to the other table that we are want to use it. Take a look. The solution to this index. This is the index. This is the solution. Now the next one is mesh. Now mesh is like VLOOKUP, where you have to look up for a value. Start with a value. Now we don't have a value. We're here to create the value. Maybe you want to find San Francisco here now, or Chicago, or Los Angeles. Let's work with Los Angeles. We copy it. Let it become our lookup value here now. Now let's work immediately. Match. Now your lookup value is what? Los Angeles, because that's what we want to look up, the exact position where it is located in this table array. Now we look up the value. The lookup value here is Los Angeles, which is in what? L8, comma. Your lookup table array, now, the lookup table array is in city because this is where we want to work the column C, which is city, comma. Now, we are looking for the exact match, not less than that or nothing greater than that, but the exact match. Because it's exact match we are looking for, we locate, we type 0, and you close your parenthesis. And now the exact position where it is located is at the 5th row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At the 5th row now. It's easy here. Now the merge solution is this: Los Angeles 50. If you see it, locate at its 5th position. Now we want now to work with what? The combination of index and the mesh. It will help us to locate now that alternative to VLOOKUP. That's where we want to implement it. So now the use of index and the mesh function now, which is the major alternative to VLOOKUP. Delvin, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Match. Your lookup value is the store number, comma. Then your lookup array is what? This is it. Select the store number. Your lookup array, select the whole store number, comma. Because we are looking for exact match, abi, you type your 0. You close your parenthesis and press enter. It is located at the 5th. Okay. Now we now want to add index to make it look more matured. So in the already existing formula that you have inputted, go to the formula bar, type index. Index, there is need for an array, and there is need for row number, and there is need for optional column number here now. Here, the array we are looking for now, the table array we are looking for is this text. You select your tables, the array, comma. That's all. Now, but first, you have to lock up this so that it will help you to copy the formula to other column. Locking it up is shift and $sign, or you use function key plus F4. So when you lock it up, you close your bracket, press enter. You see it now, you have a Canada here. Because you've locked it up, you can extend the flash fill immediately and flash fill again for you to copy the formula. Now, why do I say that this is the best alternative to lookup VLOOKUP function in Microsoft Excel? Let's look at it now. We have an alternative table here now, and we want to bring in VLOOKUP here. Now, your VLOOKUP, you look up for what? A certain value, which is the store number. From where to where? From this array now. Maybe let's take for this from this array. But we work with this, comma. We go to the array where it is and work with it from store number to city, comma. Now your column index number is state. Your column index number is what? State. Type your state. You are looking for exact match, not approximate match. You now type false. You close your parenthesis, press enter. You quickly flash fill if you want to. Now, let's see how it goes now. This table now is a particular table for index and mesh function, the smaller one. And this smaller one now that is alternative is for VLOOKUP now. So we now try to relocate a column. Let's take a look at this store column now. I want it to take another position. Let's take this position. Take a look at both tables now. The index and mesh function table still retain its position and its accurate result. But that of VLOOKUP, you see, is now telling you there is an error or that it is no longer a variable. So this is the major reason why I said that or alternative to VLOOKUP is index and the mesh function in Microsoft Excel. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button for you to be getting all our updates. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.